stop. You could be committing financial suicide. If you're living paycheck to paycheck with bad credit and overwhelming debt, then this will be the most important video you will ever watch. My name is Melvin, aka Dr. Money, and you may not realize it, but I'm responsible for millions in profit for my clients, and I've been online for 10 years. I'm a successful video marketer. You may have seen my videos, and I've been very, very profitable. I'm about to drop a major bomb on you. I have a little secret. Let's rewind for a second because I'm going to reveal something to you. I'm going to let some skeletons out of my closet. I was a victim of the mortgage meltdown 8 years ago that caused our economy to decline. Like so many other people, my finances suffered from it. I had a bankruptcy on my credit report along with other negative items. I tried to improve my credit, but I didn't get any results. I can't afford to live with bad credit. I remember sitting at my dining room table after failing for the 4th time with my back against the wall trying to fix my credit, and suddenly I got a phone call that changed my life. It was my good old buddy, Kevin Jarrell. He put me on to something that blew my mind. And I was finally able to get that bankruptcy removed. Not only that, this company increased my credit score by 150 points. It wiped out $89,000 of my debt. I was able to get a $100,000 life insurance policy with no premium. I earned a commission monthly and weekly to refer people to this amazing service so they can get help financially. Why is it so important to have your finances in order? Well, it can mean you don't have to stress about money, you can avoid bad credit, and not have to worry about how you're going to pay off your debt. Because of this opportunity, I'm now able to live stress-free, knowing that I have excellent credit and my financial affairs are in order. I get the lowest possible interest rates on everything I want to buy, and that's due to my credit score. I'm pretty much debt-free. I don't owe anyone anything. I'm earning a recurring residual income that comes to me every week and every month. And trust me, if you decide to partner with me and build your income in this company, then you will have an income that comes to you every week and every month. You couldn't stop the money from coming, even if you were crazy enough to try. That is how strong the residual income is in this company. I remember like yesterday, I was looking at the news and seeing the economy decline. I knew this was going to affect my finances, and it did. This is why I'm sharing this opportunity, because of what I've been through and what I want to help you avoid. Let me ask you a question. Is your credit score less than a 799? Do you have any debt? Do you want to increase your income today? If you answered yes to any or all of those questions, this opportunity is for you. Stay with me and I'll show you how you can benefit financially from what you're seeing today. One thing I can promise you is that this is not something brand new. You won't be a guinea pig testing an idea wondering whether or not it works, because the results are proven. For years, people just like you have been able to earn thousands of dollars per week in their spare time while raising their credit score, reducing their debt, and protecting themselves and their family financially because of this opportunity. Nearly 70% of people hate their jobs and say they're miserable at work. If that's you, this could be your chance to do something about it. Since I have been earning six figures online the past 10 years, I've seen everything you can imagine. I finally found the golden egg. The services the company offers actually work. People are getting real results. And because I'm not into hype or feeding you BS, I want you to hear directly from people just like you who have experienced this opportunity so you can know this will work for anyone.
Professionally explained the whole process to me, made me feel comfortable from the beginning of the dispute process. I now have increased my credit card limits with the bank that I use. My interest rate was lowered by 5%, and I bought a house with zero out-of-pocket cost to me. I moved in paying for the inspection, home inspection, and I own a home. Well, it went from living in a 350 square foot studio to a 1,350 square foot home that I own.
Hello, my name is Jermaine Randolph from Virginia Beach, Virginia, and prior to using the services of this company, my credit score was a 620. Just under 45 days later, I did experience an increase. My credit score is now a 726. This company has me on track to home ownership in the near future. So if you're someone sitting on the fence trying to decide whether or not you want to join, I highly recommend you do so. Get on the path to home ownership. Get on the path to a new car. Get on the path to whatever you may want to do to improve your life. This company is the starting point. It's all about good credit.
As a result of becoming a part of the company, I'm able to maintain an excellent credit score because of their credit restoration program that continuously monitors my credit. I have LifeLock to protect my identity, a will, trust, medical, and financial power of attorney to protect my family's interests, a host of other financial services that will keep me on track. So as a result of being involved with this company, I've been able to help a lot of people become financially sound, to get that home, to get that car, that lower interest rate, and that's been phenomenal. I've earned quite a bit of money doing that, and I'm real happy about that because it looks like I'll achieve that financial goal as well. And so it's just a really phenomenal company, and if you're looking for a reputable company to align yourself with, then this is absolutely one for you to check out.
I had a very challenged credit due to the fact of the financial crisis. I lost 8 homes, and after I became a client, I saw great results. Actually, in a matter of 6-7 months, my score went up to over 100 points, and now it's actually 200 points. I was able to get a business loan for something I needed to purchase on my business, and also I was able to purchase a vehicle. Prior to that, I didn't have any chances. I tried applying for auto loans and everything, and down payments and the rates were very, very high. So I suggest if you actually need our services to get in contact with your local agent, and I guarantee you're going to have great results. Thank you.
You just heard from real people and they are getting real results. We call our team Credit Envy. We are a team of business owners here to help. Now, whether you realize or not, there's a major financial crisis going on, and people are looking for help to fix a big problem. Did you know that there are over 43 million people with less than a 599 credit score? Not to mention the average debt is $225,000, and many people have savings less than $500. 65% of people have no will, 82% of people have no trust, 71% of people have no power of attorney. Every 2 seconds, an identity is stolen in this world. There's over $58 billion in unclaimed life insurance policies, bank accounts, pensions, and other assets and property. And what amazes me is that there's over 49% of people who have no retirement. That is a staggering number. So what is the solution to these big problems? Well, we are Team Credit Envy, and our service providers provide a viable solution. They are absolutely phenomenal. They have maintained an A+ Better Business Bureau rating. They were founded in 2004, and they are a debt-free company. The company has made a difference in many people's lives with its core service, credit restoration. See, bad credit costs you more. A credit background check is conducted to get a job, a mortgage, a car loan, and many other things you'll need. Did you know that 40 million Americans have mistakes on their credit report and they don't even know it? See, we can't control what happens, but we can control what we do about it. See, credit restoration is a service that 9 out of every 10 people actually need. The crazy thing is, people don't have time to fix their credit. So what do? They go out and they hire experts. And our service providers are the best in the field. They have removed over 875 derogatory items from people's credits. They've removed over 150,000 public records. They have thousands of satisfied customers, and they offer a satisfaction guarantee. When it comes to your credit, the people around you absolutely must be experts in the areas you simply don't have time. And you should be able to count on them to be honest and straightforward. So let me tell you about the credit effect. Over the course of your lifetime, less than excellent credit rating could cost you over $200,000. So as you can see, it is very important to have high credit scores. Our service providers can delete bad credit. Inaccurate, erroneous, and obsolete items such as late payments, charge-offs, foreclosures, judgments, repossessions, bankruptcies, tax liens, collections, short sales, medical bills, and many other items can be removed from your credit file or updated to reflect paid as agreed. Here's an example of a customer who had 2 bankruptcies deleted from the TransUnion report. This means there is still hope for those who have wreaked havoc on their credit reputation. Our service providers offer more than just a credit solution, though. We offer financial solutions with services that protect your identity, credit, family, finances, lifestyle, and future. I hate to say this, but 100% of all people will die. As I sit in the living room and think, what if something happened to me? Like a car accident or like a big piano dropping on my head? Now, I definitely wouldn't survive that, but the split second before I pass, I would be thinking a few things. I would be thinking this. Do I have a will? Can my insurance policy be found? Is my family protected? Is my property protected? Can my wife locate all my bank accounts? See, ladies and gentlemen, I have a beautiful family. If anything were to happen to me and I leave them behind, I want to know that they're protected. Since I have this service, my family is protected. Can you say the same about yours? Most people don't have the vital documents in place to keep their loved ones secured. That's why we offer will, trust, and power of attorney. What happens to your children, property, and other assets in the event of your demise? What if you become incapacitated and can't make decisions? Who will know your wishes? Identity theft. You don't think it can happen to you? We pay money to insure our cars. We pay money to insure our cell phones. But what are we doing to protect our Social Security? Identity theft is the #1 crime in the world. Every 2 seconds, this crime claims a new victim. Just like that, someone has been a victim of identity theft. If you're not protected, it could be you. You could be at risk right now if you have no identity theft protection. You won't even know you're a victim for 30 to 60 days or until your finances are completely ruined and you get a bill in the mail for charges you didn't make. Now, what do we offer to help fight this crime? Well, we have the most robust and viable solution to this crime. It's called LifeLock, and they offer a $1 million guarantee.
That's why LifeLock does more than free credit monitoring to protect you from identity theft. We not only alert you to identity threats, if you have a problem, we'll spend up to $1 million on lawyers and experts to fix it. LifeLock.
Do you pay your rent on time? We even have a program that can use your rent to improve your FICO score. This is just a small part of our service bundle. This service is unique, innovative, and profit-making, and this is why we're number one. So let's review all the services you get with our financial service plan. First, we have credit restoration. Work with our credit experts and proven system to eliminate any inaccurate, obsolete, or erroneous accounts. Then we have the credit builder. Improve your score by identifying the accounts that need immediate attention and why. And next we have the credit attorney. If legitimate, they will sue the agency to clean up your report, in which case you may be entitled to compensation. Next we have Smart Credit. Manage all your online accounts in one place, integrated with your credit and identity. You can use action buttons to ask your creditor a question about your account or transaction. No phone calls or writing letters are necessary. Next, we have Debt Zero. It's a clear guide on how to speed up your debt payoff. Then we have LifeLock, which is identity theft protection that helps proactively safeguard your credit, your finances, and offers that $1 million guarantee. We have Financial Lockbox, where you can store data in a secure, password-protected location for easy access by you or your loved ones that you authorize. And the next service we have is life insurance. Life insurance is available for you as an agent, and you get up to $100,000 of life insurance. My care plan includes the will, trust, and power of attorney. And next we have the discount shopping. Save money at over 4,000 retailers. Then we have the YFL Family Mint, an award-winning online money management application to help kids learn financial responsibility. And last, we have the RX card. Save up to 85% on most medication at over 60,000 pharmacies nationwide. So what would all these services cost every month to get them? Well, ladies and gentlemen, they would cost over $1,500 a month to get these services, all of them. But today you can get $1,500 worth of services for just $87 a month. And for a bonus, we're going to show you how to get them free when you become an agent. So now that you know what the services are, you can see why we're so excited to share this with you. And we're going to show you how to earn an income every month by simply sharing this information with everyone you know. Are you ready to have your own great experience and have a lucrative and promising career opportunity? Enter your information by following the directions on this page to learn more about how to partner with us today. Now, ladies and gentlemen, there were people who were in your position not too long ago, and they made that decision to partner with us. And here are their testimonials about how they're doing right now, and you can listen to those while you enter in your information. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll see you on the other side, and if you decide to join us, let me be the first to welcome you to Credit Envy.
How you guys doing today? Just wanted to shoot a quick testimonial to let you guys know what these services have been able to do for me personally so far. Not only do I have a will in place now to make sure everything I leave behind will go to my family, I get identity theft protection, but I also get these credit services that have been raising my credit score consistently since I signed up now. And I'm really excited about that because that's going to help me qualify for my first home. Going to make sure I can finance any vehicle I desire, as well as bring down those insurance rates. So I'm definitely happy about that. But if a great credit score sounds good to you, you definitely want to check this out.
Hello everyone, this is Naisha Fox from Richmond, Virginia, and prior to getting started with the credit repair services, my husband and I wanted to purchase a home using his VA loan, but we were declined. So we met with the credit repair agent right away to get on the road to better credit. Within 3 months, we qualified for the VA loan and we purchased the home of our dreams, which I'm sitting in right now. Within the first dispute cycle, there were 16 derogatory items deleted from my husband's credit report. So if you're comprehensive, you're hesitant, you don't know if you should get started today, you need to get started today so you can achieve all of your dreams. Because of the passion I have for this company and what they've done for me, I've also started helping other people achieve their dreams.
4 months later, the charge-off mortgage was gone off my credit report. And since then, a lot of doors has opened up for myself and my family. I just want to let you know that this product works. If you want the financial leverage for you and your family to buy a house, go on vacations, get a better job, get a new car, you will be very satisfied and your future will be bright, very bright.
Prior to getting started with the services, my credit score was in the low 500s. As a result of using the services, I've been able to remove 10 derogatory accounts, increasing my credit score by more than 140 points. Not only have I been able to increase my credit score, but the protection plan that is offered by the company has assisted me in so many ways. It has allowed me to understand how my credit score is calculated and what I need to do to maximize my score. It has also provided me the ability to create a financial plan that I utilize to eliminate and pay my debt off quicker than I could have ever imagined. I also have access to my credit report 24/7, and I can take comfort in knowing that my identity is always protected. But most of all, the financial education and free internet marketing training that I'm receiving from my team has provided me a platform to help others like you. So if you want to restore your credit and get the financial leverage that you need to improve your life, then I urge you to contact the person that referred you to this video and get started today.
How you doing? My name is Quincy Martin. I'm 27 years old from Atlanta, Georgia. Just wanted to talk to you today about an opportunity that was presented to me that helped increase my credit score from a 671 to a 740. It also helped me get life insurance, medical, and identity theft protection. And that was one of the things that was the best for me because my wife had previously had her identity stolen. So that gave me a peace of mind, and her as well. I also was able to constantly and continuously build my credit just by simply paying my rent. And I was able to get 2 brand new cars as well because the interest rate had dropped from my credit increasing. I also was approved for an apartment that I previously wasn't approved for. This is just my story and my results. Who knows what your results would be if you join. So if you want to be able to make a testimony like mine as well, be able to say that these are the things that happened in your life positively, continue watching this video. Have a blessed day, y'all. Peace.
Joined the company with the intention to fire my boss. Well, I'm proud to say I did that this year. This company has provided me that opportunity to have the same amount of income I did while working. Also, I was able to protect my identity. I was able to raise my credit score from a 640 to an 800. I have will, trust, medical, and financial power attorneys, and so much more. I couldn't ask for anything more from a company. This company even allowed me to get life insurance with no cost. I mean, where did they do that at?